Hello, I'm attorney Shawn Eyestone, and I want to continue helping you get prepared for your upcoming meeting with us. So, a lot of times people will wonder, this seems like a lot of work to get all of these documents together, to figure out all of these people. Like, why do I even bother? So I wanted to go through quickly, what happens if you do nothing. So there's really two scenarios where if you do nothing, things can jump in place. So the first one is if you become incapacitated. So if you are unable to make decisions for yourself or you disappear, you're still alive, but you're not able to communicate your wishes, what happens? Well, the first thing that could happen if you have minor children is someone needs to step in and care for those children. If somebody's a natural fit, like a grandparents would have the first priority, your siblings would have second priority, and on. But both sets of grandparents would have equal priority. So if there's a disagreement, that could result in a court fight. Either way, somebody's going to go to court to get the authority to care for your child at some point if you do nothing. So you'd be setting yourself up for a court process, and then dealing with your finances. Somebody who, unless you've got somebody as a joint account owner, you're going to have somebody that needs to get set up to manage those finances for you. And again, that's a court process. It's getting a conservator appointed. And if you're incapacitated and you can't make decisions for yourself, that's an adult guardianship proceeding. So that would be, again, going into court, having somebody appointed to care for you. And again, it's going to be those people in that priority. If you're married, your spouse has first priority. If you have adult children, they have the next priority. If you don't have adult children, then your parents, if they're living, have the next priority, and then siblings, and then so forth. And all those same priorities come into play if you have minor children as well. That would be a guardianship for those. It could be a temporary guardianship if you're disappeared or temporarily disabled, but it's still that same process to go into court and get those things done. So by having the documents in place, you bypass all of that. It's almost instantaneous for someone to step in and have that authority. With the documents we create, we have standby delegations of authority for health care, for caring for your minor children, immediate ability for finances to be managed by whoever you name. They just have to show the event has happened, or they just need to step in and start making decisions for you.